Hello, myself Mihir Raj, roll number 20NA 10024. I belong to section 10, group 3. For the DIY assignment number 5, we have to disassemble and assemble a electronic circuit. For this, I thought of a calculator to disassemble it. The calculator is used to perform a calculation, arithmetic or a complex. In 1960, it was found or invented. First of all, I would like to show that is working properly. Let's see 145 minus 15. It should come 130 and it's coming. It shows that it's working properly before the disassemble of it. So now I will going to disassemble it. For it, first of all, I will open the nuts of it, both the nut the present here. After opening the circuit of the calculator, I will show the whole working of it. First of all, I will start with the power source, and here it's a battery and a solar cell in the calculator. A solar cell is shown in this side. Let's see. Here the solar cell, and here also written solar. Now I will go to input. For the input, the buttons are there, and from here the buttons pressed on this black one, and it will press and it will show in the display. For it, I will show you the displaying of it. Let's see that if I will input something, sorry, oh sorry, it's already off, so I have to open it. Now it's showing 0, so I will input something 1 2 3, all are writing on it, so it's okay. Now I will show the working of it here. This black one is a microprocessor chip which contain all the algorithm to compute the result which we input on the calculator. It is the IC circuit. These three yellow one are the capacitor, and the green board is made of a silicon. Here also the capacitor is shown. This black one. Let's see. Now I will show something other of it. Here this green board is of fiberglass, and it contain a copper wire inside in it to connect the wiring. After processing chip, I will go to how the calculator store the memory which we input and give the output. So the input which we give, it store in the permanent memory, that's the ROM, sorry, and the input given to by us is converted into binary form, and it store in encoder binary, and it is converted into binary using the binary decoder. The calculator is mostly useful for the student for the complex and the arithmetic calculation. The battery which we thought of in earlier was made up of lithium, and it is a primary source of battery that it cannot be recharged after it. Now I will show how the operation take place. Here I have inputted 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's see on the display, and I have not say about anything about the display, so I will firstly tell about display and then talk other it later. So this display is the LCD screen of the calculator, and the full form of it is the liquid crystal display. Here it's showing OT512 orbit, and here it is showing 3-year battery life. Okay, Here also the solar cell which we have declared in the earlier. Now I will reassemble it. So for it the buttons are there. So first of all I have to put all the button in a correct position. This calculator can take a 12-digit number. Let's see, 7, 4, anything can I write here? Or it has a possibility of 120 to check. It is also option of something. Let's press plus 1, 2, 5, 6, anything I can press and see the result from here equal to button. I can check it also here 26 and the numbers are pressed here, that is the repetition. So I will now going to reassemble it. After reassembling the nut at the correct position and the button, I have to show that it is working properly. So first of all let's talk this time of minus subtraction. 1 2 3 minus 2 3, it should be equal to 100 and it's equal to 100. So it is working properly.